The new Amazfit T-Rex Ultra 2 is here. This is their latest and greatest watch. This is supposed to be like a competitor to the Garmin Fenix 8, the Apple Watch Ultra 2. You can just see the massive size difference. This thing is a beast. It is actually bigger than my Ultra 2. It is taller, it is thicker. I've been wearing it and testing it for the past few days. I'll have a review on my main channel. So subscribe here and go to Shervin Shares if you want to see that. You can see this is the band that it comes in. It's actually using very similar technology to the Garmin bands. It's very easy to latch this on and off, which I really do appreciate. You've got the Amazfit charger, which goes on here. The heart rate monitor, this is titanium sapphire, dual band GPS, designed by Zepp. Amazfit T-Rex Ultra 2. This thing is a beast. You've got the screen, you can swipe down right there. All the controls. I did sleep with this last night, so you can see my sleep scores right here. It's got a voice control. It now has a light, a flashlight right here as well. I need to figure out how to activate it. Nope. You can see my live heart rate. But inside the box, you're gonna get a charger, which is just a little unit that magnetizes back here, and then you plug it into a USB-C cable. These are all the specs for the T-Rex Ultra 2. You need to download the Zepp app, and this is the box that it comes in. This thing is a beast. They're kind of similar to Apple products in terms of the unboxing. You open it up, you have that nice piece that expands right there. Inside of the box, you get a little manual, the charger unit that goes in here, which actually is at home right now. Sorry, I already took that out. And that's pretty much it. It's very simple. We've got a little manual right here. The thing about Amazfit is they have Hyrox programming built in. So if I want to do a Hyrox workout, it's already a workout device. So you got outdoor running, walking, hiking, Hyrox race, Hyrox training. So that's one of the unique things about this device and the Amazfit devices. The price to value ratio on Amazfit is insane. I think you get so much value for such a great price. That's one thing I love about these watches. It still feels good. I wouldn't say it's amazing, but it is good. And it's amazing for the price. But let me know what questions you have, and I can answer those in a future video. This is the T-Rex Ultra 2. Subscribe to notifications. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.